How to cancel replacement order on Amazon. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel a replacement order in Amazon.com. So first of all, when you get into your app, at the bottom of your screen you're going to find 4 different options. The second one is your account. I'm going to go back because this is the first view you're going to obtain when you tap in the second option, your account. And as you can see at the beginning of your screen, there you have 4 options. So I'm going into your orders, and there you're going to find the order that you want to cancel. Just remember that perhaps if that replacement or not replacement order has been shipped, so you're not going to be able to cancel that. You just have to wait until it gets into your home, or just suppose you're not there, so the order is going to be canceled by itself, and perhaps it's going to find a replacement delivery day again, so you can cancel it from this part. Okay, that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.